welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. First of all, go to your browser and type VirtualBox. Click download VirtualBox. If you are not directed to this page, click manually here, downloads. Now as this is a Windows computer, I'm going to click Windows host. There you go, it's downloading. It's about 105 MB. Downloading, you can open it and clear it. And here's the installer. Click next. If there is a reason to change, you can change it or you can go with yes, yes. So it says that Python bindings requires like Python core package and the Win32 API binding to be installed first. So now I would like to proceed with the installation just for now, and later we can download the Python core and Win32 API. Install. Then finish. Now the Oracle VirtualBox will be running. There you go. As my system is in the dark mode, it automatically changes into dark mode. So this is the VirtualBox installed, and that's it, guys. So if an error comes, I will show in the next video how to install the Python core and the Win32 API. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.